say short. Short be what?
So,
Short be what?
so,
Sell.
Well, you understand? This for the book side, they say sellers are willing to do what? Go short at resistance. Where the resistance be here. The way you spot this resistance, you don't want enter sell. That be the same way somebody who spots this resistance, you don't want enter sell. So sellers are willing to go what? Short at resistance. Buyers too are willing to do what? Go long at what? Support. You get it? We them say what? At key support. All of these buyers and sellers work together to send prices lower and make up what? Supply in the supply and demand equation. More supply than demand, price falls. Make we explain this thing. Them say what? More supply than demand, price that's what? Falls.
But
So see something. Let's say you buy 10 iPhone, 10 iPhone, 1,000 iPhone say you don't want sell, right? We right now, your demand, your demand just be like you willing to do what? Buy some good. You understand? That be demand. So let's say this phone a day here. Them say the law of demand is the higher the price what, the lower the quantity demanded, right? And the lower the price, the higher the quantity demanded. I be that one be self-explanatory. If the price be high, we dey demand what? More. If the price be low, we dey demand what? More. If
yes,
the price be high, we dey demand what? Less. Or are they like?
yes,
Ukoto ade ukohu some nice sneaker be na price need that former. You go like buy more. But if the price be high, you go buy one pair or two. You get them. That be the law of supply. That be the law of demand. You understand? So the book inside them say what? More more suppliers than demand. Price falls. Get it? Auto goods are big go bebree. Then people know they buy. People know they demand the goods. What you go do? You surely you go reduce the price. So say squad go do what? Buy. You get them?
yes,
That be the same thing. More sellers than buyers. Price go do what? Fall. Abi na you the bam.
yeah,
That be the same way. More sellers than buyers. Price go do what? Fall. And more buyers than sellers. Price go do what? Buy.
right.
You understand? So basically that be all. So resistance be what? Supply. Support be what? Demand. You understand? So support, we say price they do what? Bounce for the for what? Price
Support.
they do what? Bounce for support, right? Price they do what? Bounce
Bounce
for
for
support.
support.
Support. When we say demand to when the demand be low, squad they do what? Buy more. So see this oh. We say price if price reach what? Support, if or do what? Bounce. You get them.
Yeah,
Wey if the demand be if the what? Supply below. This be the supply oh. The supply fall. Yeah, see supply. Sorry, the price fall. If price fall, what squad go do?
we go right.
Dem go demand more. You bab
Oh,
yes,
okay.
that boy be what? Demand. Make we reduce resistance. If price reach resistance, e dey do what? Oh. If price get to resistance, e dey do what? Fall.
3, 4.
That be the same way. If supply be what? If the supply be high, right? Sorry, if the demand be high, say what? More demand than supply, price rise. We explained that thing already. More supply than demand, price that's what? Price they do what? Fall for resistance. That be the same way. More supply. You understand? Supply this oh. The supply plenty, but the people that buy your goods give you, you get them.
Yeah,
So you the buy now, resistance be supply, support be demand. I be the bad boy now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Where I see something for here that they won't talk. By see something here. No, you first start the book. This is the book is like support and resistance shouldn't be viewed as what? A line, rather a what? A zone. You get them?
Yeah.
Support and resistance, for view am as what? A line, but rather if you view am as what? A zone. Some squad know they use support and resistance, they use what psychological level. We go talk about that one too later. You get them? So support and resistance, be line, it be zone. You get them? It
Yeah.
be a whole zone. You use a price tap into that zone. So let's say I use line, right? I use line. I put the line for somewhere here. You see price reach here, you do what? You bounce, right? I put line for somewhere here. Price reach here, what? You bounce, right? Let's say price come where you can't reach here, where you bounce. You no come into my what?
Support.
Support zone.
Okay.
So be line. It be a whole zone. It be a whole zone, reasonable zone. You now you go draw am, right? You now you go draw am no mean see go make your support big like this. But it will be reasonable zone. But when I go one less this, I go show you like how you go plot your support, make it make sense. You understand? How you go plot and make it make sense.